Oh my god, I had no idea his head was like that. That is so crazy.
I imagine it's called like an anteater bug.
Look at that. That is so cool. Aardvark.
Look at him.
He's like, I got glue on my face. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on. Everything's backwardsy. There we go.
Probably
You're gonna have nightmares.
it's probably like a toucan bug because it like has like a looks like a toucan. Wait, can we see it?
Oh, there's a bug on him.
Oh!
What in the world?
Zoom in on that dude.
Oh my god, Cameron.
There's a little buggy.
Is it a mommy?
What? Is it a mommy?
There's a bug on a bug.
With a bug on the bug on the bug.
I think it's a baby bug.
Oh, look how cute he is.
That is crazy. Look at the
Daddy.
balls. The joints are balls.
I know.
Like, dude,
He's a
it's an alien. He's made out of stone.
and has ball joints.
But I see him moving.
But you can't see the little buggy on him.
That's a mite.
What if it's like a bug that rides on a bug?
I think it is.
Or what if it's the bug that eats stuff off the bug? That is so weird. Where is that bug?
Oh, I glued his legs. So now it's drying. He's like, ah, yeah, I can get it loose.
Look at him.
He's gonna try to hop over.
Yeah, let him hop over.
Yeah, but I want to go to the face for a minute.
Yeah.
Wait, it's still videoing.
Dork. It's called a dork beetle. Whoa.
Oh,
He almost did it. Jinx.
Wait, look at the little baby thing again. Get it, a baby.
Hold on, man. I'm tripping hard. Whoa.
Dude.
Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it?
He's trying. He's trying to do the back bridge.
Where's the baby?
What happened?
Oh, he's doing that one move. Oh, there he goes. He's sideways.
Oh, I saw the little buggy.
There he
He's alive.
Yeah. Come on, dude. Stay still. It's school picture day.
School picture day. Stay still, dude.
Whoa, he's moving. He's moving on his way.
Okay, stop.